Hey guys, once again welcome back to DevOps Master. In this video, I am going to show you how to handle traffic on our EC2 instance. Maybe you will get doubt of why traffic on our EC2 instance will increase. Okay, let me tell you. Just assume you have deployed a web application. It may be any kind of web application on EC2 instance. It might be directly or indirectly, like using Apache or Kubernetes. If traffic on your web application increases, due to that, stress on EC2 instance also increases. Because of that, performance of web application may be affected. So we need to handle the traffic. How we going to handle that? Using configuration of elastic load balancer and auto scaling group, we are going to handle that. How we are going to do that, I will show you. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay guys, let me give you a brief overview in this video what we are going to do actually. Okay, suppose you have deployed a web application on your EC2 instance, and end user is requesting for information on your web application. So that request will be taken by WAF. What is WAF? Web application firewall. It's basically used for protecting your web application from attacks, like from hackers. How it will work? According to the rules and policies given by you, it will filter the request and it will send to the elastic load balancer. Elastic load balancer will take that request and it will send to the auto scaling group. What is auto scaling group? Auto scaling group is a collection of EC2 instances, but there is a catch in that. Inside the auto scaling group, there is a target group. Actually, target group is having multiple instances. So without target group, there is no auto scaling group. We need to remember that. Response will be given to target group, and it will send to the EC2 instances, and that information will be given to user. For instance, number of requests on your web application suddenly increased, and your web application is using so much of infrastructures, EC2, CPU and RAM, and stress is increased on EC2 instances, and at certain point it can't take that much stress and it can't handle that much load. So it need to increase number of instances. That will be done by auto scaling group. Auto scaling group will increase the number of instances. So this is what is happening here. So what we are going to do, we need load balancer, auto scaling group and target group. Okay, firstly we are going to create load balancer, and after that we need to create target group. By using these, we are going to create auto scaling group. So without wasting time, let's do hands-on. Okay, firstly log into your AWS console and search here for EC2 instance. EC2, just search EC2. It will show that EC2 is here present. Just click on EC2. It's taking some time. My network is slow. So that's why just click on that. Left side, you can see there are many options. Instances type, launch templates. So before creating like auto scaling group, we need one template. If you scroll down at the bottom, you will see auto scaling group. For creating auto scaling group, we need one template. Its template is like information related to EC2 instance, which type of instance you need to create, like which AMI you are you want to use, how much of storage you want to give, is there any user predefined user data, like that we need to mention. So we need to create one template of that. Let's create template, launch template. Click on launch template. Here you can see create launch template. Okay, we need to provide name for our template. I will be giving my load balancing temp. Okay, we need to provide version 1, scaling guidance no need, template tags no need, application OS. Just click on kickstart. We need to take which operating system we are going to use. I will be selecting Ubuntu. Next, just scroll down, and instance type, which instance type you need to use. I will be choosing T2 Nano. Just click on T2 Nano, scroll down, and key pair. I have already one key pair, my new key. If you don't have, just click on create new key pair. It will create for you. Scroll down, subnet, leave it like that. And security group, I will be using default security group. Click on default. That's it. And storage, leave it like that. Resource tags, which name you want to provide for your server, like instance, just give. I will be providing is like load elb underscore instance, instance, resource type instances. That's it. Advanced details, click on advanced details and scroll down. Here you will find user data. I want to download this Apache slash bin bash. That's it. Sudo apt get update. It will update the EC2 instance. Sudo apt install Apache 2 -y. Next, we need to start Apache. Sudo service start Apache 2. That's it, guys. Everything is okay. Yeah, Apache update and the done. That's it. Scroll down. Just click on create launch template, and it will create for you. If I go to EC2, there is a one server. Let's come to here. Okay, our launch template is created. Next, we need to create. Come here, scroll down. We need to create target group. Click on target group. Here, it will show that option create target group. Just click on create target group. Choose instances. Scroll down. We need to give name to our target group. ELB TG. That's it. Maybe let's give like this TG. Okay. Scroll down. That's it. Next, scroll down. Create target group. That's it, guys. Our target group also created. Next, we need to create load balancers. Click on create load balancer. We have three options here: load balancer types, application load balancer, network load balancer, and gateway load balancer. This is for simple HTTP and HTTPS requests. If you want to create a load balancer for more complicated web applications or like high performance web applications, just use network load balancer. And there is one more type of load balancer is this, that is gateway load balancer. Creating first one, application load balancer. Click on create. We need to provide name for our load balancer. Okay, ELB load balancer. Scroll down. Choose internet facing IPv4. That's it. We need to select our availability zones. Security group is default. HTTP. Here AWS web application firewall, just select it. Include rules, actions, detects and blocks malicious traffic. Select this. That's it. If you want to global accelerator, like it will increase the performance and availability security, like that. I'm not selecting it. That's it, guys. Scroll down and create load balancer. It's saying we need to select our target group. Okay, ELB target group. Scroll down and click on create load balancer. Successful. Associating AWS WAF ACL with load balancer, ELB load balancer. Okay, it's provisioning. Till it's doing it, let's go to auto scaling group and try to create it. Click on create auto scaling group, and we need to give name for our auto scaling group. I will be naming it as ELB hyphen ASG. We need to select template. I will be selecting which we have created earlier, my load balancing template. And that's it. Version 1 T2 Nano. Click on next. Yeah, next is choose instance launch options. Okay, availability zones, we need to select availability zones. Select 3. Just click on next. And load balancer, no load balancer, attached to an existing load balancer, attached to a new load balancer. we will be attaching, we have already created. If we haven't created, we can create by clicking on attach to new load balancer. It will create new load balancer for you. Attach to a existing load balancer. Which one? ELB, target group. That's it. That's it, guys. Health check grace period is 300 seconds. Every 300 seconds it will check for health, and it will monitor our servers. That's it. Next, group size, desired capacity. How many instances at a point you want? Like it's desired. You are desired how many. I will be selecting one only, and minimum desired capacity. It must be less than or equal to desired capacity. I will be selecting one. Max desired capacity. It should be equal or greater than desired capacity. Okay, let's select 2. That's it. Auto scaling optional. Policy, auto scaling policy is optional. No policy. uh, Scaling protocol, no need. Click on next. Add notification optional. You can add notification if something happens to your instance, if anything wrong happens, if your server is going down, it will like uh, give you a, it will send you a notification about information. If you want, you can add notification. I'm not selecting. Click on next. We need to provide tag for our instance. Name, I will be giving it as ELB instance. That's it. That's it, guys. Click on next. Let's do overview. Group details. Choose instance launch options. This is the VPC and these are the availability zones and subnets. Instance type requirements, no. Load balancing, ELB load balancer. VPC, let you know. Health checks every 300 seconds. Additional settings disabled. Group size, desired capacity 1, minimum desired capacity is 1, and maximum desired capacity is 2. Instance maintenance policy, no policies we have selected. That's it. Okay, create auto scaling group. It will create auto scaling group and updating capacity. After its update done, we can see instances being created here. See, pending, ELB instance is created. When I select this instance and if I copy this IP address, public IP, and if I uh, paste here and search, it will show a Apache web application here. It's saying that this site can't be reached because it's not initialized. Uh, let's wait for some time. Okay, let's wait for some time. Still loading, still initializing. See, Apache to default page. So that means our instance is running properly. If we connect this instance using SSH, okay guys, let's try to increase stress on our instance using stress hyphen v CPU up to like I want to increase 90. Okay, 90% of CPU is utilizing. Let's see if our instance is being created or not. One more instance, still it's not being created. 90% of CPU is going to, it's being utilized. Okay, it's not being created, guys. Why? Because we need to change something here. Come to ELB and come to activity. In activity we need to change like, no, sorry, auto scaling. Come to auto scaling and click on create dynamic scaling. That's it. Target value, change it to 20 and 10 seconds. Click on create. Now it will create one more instance. Yeah, you can see guys, it's creating. Yeah, running, initializing. You can see when stress is increased, it's creating and it's scaling the instances. So that's it guys. If you want to handle traffic on your EC2 instance without, so it can't affect your web application, you can use auto scaling group and load balancer, elastic load balancer. So that is it guys. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the DevOps Master for more AWS and DevOps related content.